Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 401k rollovers with Vanguard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of transferring your 401k to Vanguard, first, gather all necessary information about your current retirement account. Visit the official Vanguard website. Log into your Vanguard account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, navigate to the Retirement Accounts section. Look for the option labeled Rollovers. Select 401k rollover from the available options. You will see an overview of the rollover process. Next, you'll need to initiate your rollover request. Provide information about your current 401k plan. This typically includes the name of your previous employer and your account number. Vanguard may ask for details about the type of funds you wish to transfer. After submitting your account information, review the instructions carefully. Vanguard will usually require you to download a transfer form. Fill out the transfer form, including all requested details. Be sure to include your Vanguard account number on the form for proper processing. Once completed, print and sign the transfer form. You may either upload the form through your Vanguard account or send it via mail. If sending by mail, use the designated address provided on the form. Keep a copy of the form for your records. After Vanguard processes your request, they will reach out to your previous plan for funds transfer. This process might take several business days to complete. Once the funds are transferred, Vanguard will notify you by email or through your account. You should then regularly check your Vanguard account to confirm the funds are received. Congratulations, you have successfully initiated a 401k rollover with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.